For today's video, we will start the day with watering the plants. Ito talaga yun. This is how we do it. Earlier on, since it's summer now, the sun is high, so I had to take Maiko to her swim training since she will be competing in the regional meet. So I had to start late. So every morning we have to water the plants, especially now it's summer. It's so hot, the plants are having a hard time. Look, it will manage. So aside from bird keeping, Maiko is the one who's really interested in the bird keeping part, and then it just grew on me. I'm really into plants, especially the fruiting plants like the guava, the cotton fruit, and then I just integrate it with the ornamentals, since I strongly believe that the plants have a relationship with the birds. I strongly believe that birds are happy here at the aviary because of the plants. Because of the smell of the plants, the sight of the plant. They can reach the plants actually. Actually, this one here for the African gray, so it beat the plant. It grew the plant inside. The malunggay is already inside. If they like the shower, they can. I haven't installed the shower yet because it's not that really hot. But it's April now, so I will set up the shower maybe this week or this weekend. So every morning I have to shower, water the plants. Oh, we have guava. We have a ready to harvest guava. Every day, I have to water the plants. These are the bay leaves, laurel. This is the mother tree. These are the cuttings. The air layered ornamentals. And once in a while, I strike water birds. There. Can you see? I'm going here. So how many times do I water in a day? Usually I do it 2 times. One in the morning and one in the late afternoon or even dark, early evening. And if I'm bored and cannot sleep, sometimes I wake up at night. I just water the plants. I get comments also and suggestions that why not just put irrigation system. Well, I have. It's there. I have irrigation. There's sprinkler all over, but I don't enjoy it. I enjoy watering the plants every day. It gives me a sense of happiness. I can see the plants are happy when I'm doing all the hard work for them. Okay, that's enough. I think we should shift on the annex aviary. I'll just coil this later. Okay. Go to the back. I forgot this. Wait. I have plants here din pala. So everywhere you look at the aviary, at Micro's aviary, all you can see are plants and fruit and fruit. I have good news for avocado lovers and the Rare Fruit Society of the Philippines. I just discovered that I have flowers of, can you see? That's Monroe avocado from Hawaii. Like the shower, dude. Oh, the dog. Keep destroying that plant there. That's my favorite. That's why I cannot let the chickens roam here because they will just destroy my plants. Even if I like chickens, but they will just destroy my plants. And landscaping. I have to water this. It's just planted nowhere. It's an area plant. That's why I need to water this every day. It's a photo. Look, it's been. Now we go to the back area. Buzz! Come on! Buzz! Come on! Come on! Buzz! Come on! Help me out. Come on. Good dog. Wait, I think it's wet. This one needs watering. Hi, bird. So last night I removed already their waterer because I'm going to give them vitamins, and so I will give them water in the late morning, like 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, so that they will be very thirsty, and so they can get a good dose of the vitamins. I'm just giving them the probiotics. This one needs help. Water, so hot. I even water the plants up there. See? This one helps cool down the aviary down there. So in the rainy season, I remove them. It's passion fruit. So maybe this coming May you will see fruits hanging there. I don't mind if the roof got rusted. Will get rusted because of the plant. I'll just change the roof in 5 to 10 years, or maybe 5 years, or in 2 years. Important thing is the birds are happy. So this is what I do every morning and afternoon. But only on summer. In the wet season, I don't water at all. Because here in the Philippines, in the wet season, it rained almost like every other day or every day. There's a month like August, October, the bare month, that it's always raining. Oh, the gawa. I don't want to take a bath. Yeah, I'll put your shower this week, I promise. I have here the orchids, the dendrobiums. These are the vandas. And these are the alocasia family. So they're water lover, easy to take care of. You just put plenty of water and it will last 2 to 3 days, and then put water again. That's how it works. And then here, a bunch of paradise plant. Actually, they are invasive, but I control their invasiveness. The how, maybe I'll just make a separate video for that. And I like its invasiveness feature because it creates like a microforest in the aviary. You know why I have plants in the aviary? Because in the afternoon when it's really hot, you just water the plants and the stones, and then everything will cool down. Everything. And the birds can sense that. A small breeze of wind will create a cold temperature for the aviary. It's called microclimate control by maximizing the plants. But the key is you have to know which plant can do that. So I have here, this is a variegated one. Look at the flower. Then I have also flowering in the summer. Normally they don't flower up in the summer. They usually flower up during wet season, but since I have a microclimate here, I can force them to flower. See? Yeah. I don't induce them to flower. I just know how to make them flower. It's all about conditioning. So it takes me like 10 to 20 minutes to do this. Clean the benches so visitors can use them. Lots of bird droppings because we're under a tree. It's okay. So these benches actually is wide and thick because in an emergency just put what do you call that, a cushion, and it's like a bed. It's an emergency bed for guests. And if I get tired doing the green work. Okay, this is it for now. This is PJ of Michael's Aviary, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because right now we're focusing more on the YouTube. So there are lots of requests that wanting us to make longer videos. I don't know, maybe they are bored in their country, and lots of overseas Filipino workers, they like to see what we do every day. So there you go. That's why we're activating or dumping more longer videos in the YouTube channel. And also maybe, hopefully in the future, we get monetization from YouTube, and the fund that we can get from that channel will be used to upgrade the extension aviary. Please like and share the video so we can all learn together. Happy bird keeping, everyone!